All right, well, good evening. I'm Judge Don Allen. I'm one of your 3 circuit court judges. I've had the honor and the privilege over the last almost 15 years to serve as presiding judge over Division II of Circuit Court, which covers Madison, Chester, and Henderson counties. I was very fortunate back in 1999. Judge Franklin Murchison retired, and I was appointed to replace Judge Murchison. And he was probably my mentor over all the years. I had worked for General Woodall, Jerry Woodall, in the district attorney's office for about 14 years prior to being appointed to the bench in August of 1999. Since that time, I have been reelected in the year 2000, and then, of course, reelected again in 2006. And it has been an honor and a privilege for me to serve you, not only here in Chester County, but also the citizens of Madison and Henderson counties. Just to tell you a little bit about me, I've grew up in Jackson, attended public schools there, then attended University of Mississippi down in Oxford, and then graduated law school at Memphis State University back in 1983. So I've been practicing for several years, actually clerked for Judge Lloyd Tatum on the Criminal Court of Appeals for about 2 years prior to becoming an assistant district attorney back in 1985, I believe it was. But, you know, I've enjoyed serving as your circuit court judge. I've tried to do a good job. I've worked hard each and every day to try to make this community a safer and a better place in which to live. Crime is certainly an issue in all counties. But fortunately for you, I want to just tell you, you've got wonderful law enforcement officers here in Chester County. They do a great job. They work together to help solve the problems. Your judiciary has worked hard over many, many years to try to help solve the problems. One thing that I did back in about 2003 is I established a drug court program which is designed to take those nonviolent offenders. Now, I'm not talking about the ones that we need to lock up and put in jail, but I'm talking about our nonviolent drug offenders who are there in the justice system because of a drug addiction. And we've tried to treat them with intensive supervision, intensive probation, and we've been very successful in doing that. We've had opportunity to restore many, many lives and many, many families over the last 10 or 11 years. So I look forward to continuing working with the drug court program. I also work with the other judges and law enforcement in trying to do the things that we can do as judges to make this community a better and a safer place in which to live. And again, it's almost a pleasure for me to come down to Chester County and hold court because I get to see the sheriff, I get to see other law enforcement officers, I get to see the good job that they're doing here. And you have a very great community. I applaud the Chamber of Commerce for their involvement in this community and the ones who are here. So again, I'm running unopposed, so I didn't mean to come down here and talk, but I just want to again introduce myself to a lot of you, the ones who I've not met before. I would ask for your vote on August the 7th, your complimentary vote, and I look forward to continuing to serve this community and serving each of you over this next 8 years. Thank you so much.